Today I'm going to show you how to join mind42.com. This is a collaborative online mind mapping tool that you can use in your classrooms with your learners. So the first thing you need to do in your web browser address bar is type mind42.com and hit enter. Now you should be on the current home page and you need to click on sign up. On the sign up page, under sign up, you should type in your username, your password, confirm your password, and type in your email address. Right, once you've done that, click I have read the terms and use, and I would click unsubscribe to the Mind42 newsletter. Once you've done that, click sign up. From here you need to go to your Gmail and you'll notice there's a Mind42 subscription. Click on that. In the registration email, click on confirm, and you will have completed your registration. You log in with your username and password and click sign in. Now this will take you straight to the Mind42 application where you can start creating a new mind map. So let's give our new mind map a name. I'm just going to call this one test and create. And here you can see we have our heading. From here we need to start adding some branches to our first mind map. Or branches are actually called nodes. So if I click on this green arrow, you'll notice it's created what's called a new node. Now I can create as many nodes as I want. I simply give it a new title and then click on test again, create another node, and you'll see it's created another branch. I'll call this one people. Click on test again, create another branch. I'll call this one plants. And now that I've created these nodes, I can move them around. Now under animals, I can click on that and I can add another node. So I click on this and I might call this one land animals. And then I click on animals again, click another node. I'll call this water for water animals. And then I click on animals and sky animals. And that's how we create the different nodes. Now, once we've created a few nodes, there are a few things we can do with each. For example, if I go to land animals and I break that up and I call it farm animals, I've now created another node and I can move that up. I want to change the color of the font, so I click on font and I've got some options. I can make it bold or italic, change the size to large, medium or small, and I can also change the color. Pass on style means that whatever style I give this node, the next subnode will adopt that style. Now I have farm animals and I want to create another node and I want to put a horse in here, but instead of putting text I am going to put in a picture. So if I click on this picture button and down here I type horse and search. If I just drag my mind map up, I can see some horse pictures. This one looks neat. And as you can see, in a moment's time, it appears. If I double click on the picture, a blue dragging tool will appear. And I can just resize the picture. And that means instead of adding text, you can in fact just put pictures in there. Now, if I click on farm animals and I add another node, This one I will call a duck. Now if I click on the add attachment, a window will come up with some handy little tools. If I click attach a Wikipedia article and then I type in duck in the window that comes up and search, it will bring up the wiki page to use with ducks. If I click on remember this page and close, and I click outside the box, next time I click on the attachment, this web page from Wikipedia all about ducks will appear. A very handy feature. Click close button and there it is. I'm going to create one more node. I'm going to call this one cow, and up in my YouTube I have a movie about cows mooing. If I basically click share and Control C to get that address, I go back to mind.com. This time I'm going to click on the web link in the middle and then Control V where it says link node to URL, apply, and from here if I click on the web link icon, it'll say preview and I click on it and it will take me to that YouTube video. Now obviously I've used a YouTube video, but you can use whatever web page you like. So that is basically how you add pictures, attachments and web links to your mind42.com mind map. The beauty about mind42 is it's a collaboration tool. You can invite your students or other friends to come and help add items to the mind map. To do this, you simply click on this Manage Collaborations icon. From here, a window will pop up. In this box, you simply type the email address of each of your students. Make sure you separate each email with a comma. Once you've got the email addresses in, you click invite, and the invitation will be sent to those people. Once you've finished inviting your students or your friends, click on the X button and you're done. Other people will now get that invite in their email and they can then collaborate on the same mind map. I encourage you to explore and have lots of fun. You can't make too many mistakes, and anything that you do, you can undo later. So explore the icons on the side and explore the icons underneath each node item. Have fun!